What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video and a new product. Last year Labocosmetica started its journey into the accessory world where we made the groundbreaking, if not game-changing, 2pH brush to clean the fabric. Now following up on the philosophy of innovation, we are now introducing the most innovative towel the world has ever seen before. Well, I'm almost feeling like an Italian doing this. I need you to get a little bit closer because what I'm going to explain to you now is going to be groundbreaking at the same time. So, to start, in my hand, the new made exterior towel called Ideale. A 450 GSM towel that has the capability. Now Victor, I need you to come close for this one because what we have here is the feel of something we could like velvet. Now this towel has the capability to remove polish, but more gentle, more delicate, more soft. Then we have the traditional double face. Very soft. This over exceeds the softness of a traditional fluffy towel. Then we have the traditional drying towel, where even the drying towel is being matched by the texture of the 85% and the 50%, the 85% polyamide and 15% polyester. Or it's the other way around. It's either one of those two, distinguishing it from it. Adding the double face, even this one, we will prove to you that it can comprehend the performance of this product. And of last, the traditional short piled weave. I don't know even what to call this weave, but this is what we call the traditional glass towel. Let's talk some specs first before we dive into what you can do with this towel, or is there anything that you cannot do with this towel? Specs first. We have three towels. We got a purple, a blue, and let's call it a light blue, close to white. Three different GSMs. That's not true. Two different GSMs. One 450 GSM and the other two 380 GSMs. Now, first feel, what you cannot see on camera, is that it has like a velvet feel to it. Very interesting weave, a weave that you have not seen before. Because what you would not expect is that these towels are 85 to 15 in balance, polyamide and polyester. That would suggest that normally they don't have very much high absorption values. However, what we will show you in this video, what this towel can do, is that it's highly absorbent, even 7 times their own weight, making it a very, very absorbent towel. Anything else that you need to know about the specs? They will be sold in two different packages. One, where it's been as the exterior one by itself, and the interior versions both go inside of a package together. The difference is that the dark blue one is the one that we are going to use for the most coarse operation that we find on the inside of the car, and the light one for the most delicate. So the surfaces that you want to check if there's any color exchange, surface if you want to check if there's still some dirt left. Now what makes these towels super interesting is that these are so extremely durable that even after multiple washes they will keep their original form and softness, making them very, very exciting. That said, there's also something that we need to focus on for the maintenance. If you are using these products in combination with any protection, so quick detailers, sealants, all-in-ones, whatever, you have to pre-treat them before you wash them, making them like a microfiber wash where you pre-treat them with like a 1 to 10 dilution of the product directly on the towel before washing them. Specs being said, now we need to find out what these towels really can do. For example, for the example of the performance of this towel, we are going to use the mirror because the mirror will show us everything that's going on. Hey, there you are. There's everything that's going on onto the glass. This is also what we could see on glass. This is also what we could see on piano black. Now, if we take some liquid in the form of a glass cleaner in this case, but it could be a detail spray, it could be wax, it could be sealant, anything liquid, rinseless, waterless, anything. We will take the traditional double face, nice and fluffy towel. Now watch what happens when I use this towel and I need to use mechanical force or mechanical wiping to remove the liquid. Now count with me how long it's going to take to remove this, and then imagine this being on piano black. Just get you in the visualization of you don't want to touch that. Looking at piano black can make a scratch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. A lot of wipes, sorry for the violence. But this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for that towel that has the delicacy, that has the capability to remove these liquids. And very clearly you can see even the streak still of the unevaporated, unwiped off liquid that I used in this case, a glass cleaner. Now taking the Ideale and then just wipe once and everything disappears. The capability of this towel alone is to take its weight 7 times in water. And because the absorbent value is so high, it doesn't leave the streaks. It immediately absorbs and takes it off extremely delicately without creating any damages or scratches or halos or streaks or extra labor. Now, just to show you an example of a combination, what you could replace with Ideale alone. So we take the same surface, we take the same amount of liquid, and then we take the traditional towels that we can use. Starting with, why not, the dry towel. Then we have the double face. Then we have the glass towel. And then we move to dry. A little bit because the surface of the towel is of course not that big. But there we have it. 3 towels and we have a dry surface. Now we move, might as well take this one to make the challenge even bigger. The Ideale interior, so imagine this being piano black. Putting some Omnia, some APC, some quick detailer. I don't know what you guys are using for the interior. 380 GSMs, so less than the Ideale exterior, that's 450 GSMs. Watch what happens. Bye. You know what this reminds me of, Vic? It reminds me of the situation in the oceans, in the sea next here to Italy, where we have the exotic blue crab eating all the other crabs that are local. So imagine this being the blue crab, top of the food chain here, killing everything else. Now you know we are known for innovation in the chemical industry, carrying 4 main characteristics in one towel. The possibility and the capability of removing polish from the most delicate surfaces or the sticky paints. Highly absorbent to use in the wet phase. Think about glass, think about polish, think about waterless, think about rinseless. These towels can hold their weight 7 times in water, making them very eligible for the wet operations on the outside of the car. Then we move into what we think is also very important, is that we are using these towels for the most delicate surface that we can find. Think about the screens on the inside of the car, the piano black surfaces that always seems to scratch up with just looking at them. These towels will give you that edge. Durable, comfortable, and something you have never felt before. This is just one of the exciting things that you can do with these towels that we're going to show you in the near future. So stay tuned and make sure you check out the other videos about Ideale exterior and interior. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Labocosmetica.